Hi everyone, welcome to Nkiru Media. You are cooking with Nkiru. I appreciate you all for being here today. If today is your first day, join the family, relax, and I guarantee you, you will not regret joining us. Today's recipe is ferociously delicious. Lemon rosemary chicken. Without wasting your time, join me in the kitchen. Let's cook. We need chicken thighs, lemon juice, rosemary leaves, thyme, minced garlic, olive oil, honey, and salt. In a bowl, add the chicken and all the ingredients. Olive oil. This recipe calls for fresh rosemary leaves. I don't have any, so I am crushing dried leaves to use. I'm using dried thyme because I ran out of fresh ones. Add lemon juice, honey, salt, and minced garlic. Mix very well so you will incorporate all the ingredients. You want to combine them very well with the honey. Cover it and marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. The longer the better. After an hour, transfer the chicken to your baking tray. Please don't overcrowd your baking pan. Because the chicken has honey, if you don't spread them apart, they will easily get burnt, and you don't want that. I want you to observe that this baking pan is overcrowded. Like I said, you don't want to do that. Because of honey, it will get burnt so easily. So I will remove some and put them in another pan. Now go ahead and bake the chicken for at least an hour or longer until you get the color you want and the chicken is fully cooked. Mine baked for an hour and 10 minutes to get that deep golden glaze I like. So while the chicken is baking, go ahead and prepare the dip. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon honey. You may use maple syrup or agave if you prefer. Add a pinch of salt or 2 and mix everything very well and keep aside. After an hour and 10 minutes, the super deliciousness is ready. They say that the taste of the pudding is in the eating. I'm not going to talk too much about this. When you try this recipe, I guarantee you, you will come back to report. You will add the recipe to your repertoire. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends and family, please. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And activate the notification bell so you know when I share another video. Until next video, this is me, Nkiru, wishing you the best through life. Thank you for your love and support. Bye for now.